Today we will go through a processing test, demonstrating the standardized testing process for the LK MV1050 Vertical Machining Center. Before customer inspection, the test will focus on the dryer housing of new energy vehicles, multi-process collaborative work, for finishing of die-cast aluminum blanks, to verify its comprehensive performance and excellent quality. First process. 8 precision tools work together to process the shell base structure. D24.4 stepped forming PCD tool, 225 mm per minute at 1200 RPM. Precision cutting, cutting speed up to 92 meters per minute. Ensure accuracy and efficiency. D11.21 drill and other tools are operating accordingly, demonstrating the multitasking capabilities of machine tools. Thread processing. D12 milling cutter at 2200 RPM per minute. High-speed tapping feed rate 0.11 millimeters. Cooperate with machine tools to achieve 0.005 millimeters high positioning repeatability. Ensure the ultimate precision of the thread. The second process focuses on functional structure processing. TD20 by 1.7 groove tool, 450 mm per minute at 2500 RPM. Fine machining of 3 mm deep ring groove. The tolerance is strictly controlled at plus or minus 0.02 mm. When finishing a plane, D25 milling cutter at 3000 RPM, 600 mm per minute, with 0.3 mm cutting depth. A single pass can achieve a surface finish of RA 1.6. Significantly shortened processing cycle. M12 cutting tap at 800 RPM per minute, 1500 mm per minute machining, 30% increase in efficiency. The thread qualification rate reaches 99.8%. The third process, introducing the combined process of step forming PCD tools and cutting taps, achieve dual improvement in processing efficiency and precision. Machining compound holes with D15 D20.5 step tools. The verticality of the whole wall is less than 0.01 millimeters. With upgraded M16 thread processing, thread surface hardness increased by 20%. Significantly improved corrosion resistance. The final process is completed by 9 precision tools. Fine processing. D25 milling cutter. Secondary plane machining. Surface flatness, less than 0.02 millimeters. D8.5 D37 PCD step tool. Processing of holes up to 88 millimeters deep. Balance efficiency and tool load. Finally, D20.5 PCD step forming knife and other tools are completed in sequence. Final processing. This case demonstrates the superior quality of LK machine tools. In the field of die-casting aluminum processing, material removal rate up to 98%. Surface roughness is stably controlled below RA 0.8 μm. Finished product. The key dimensions of the dryer shell all meet the tolerance requirements of the drawing. Pore position accuracy is less than or equal to 0.05 millimeters. Flatness 0.02 millimeters per 100 millimeters square meters. LK MV1050 Vertical Machining Center. Stable 0.01 mm machining accuracy. Within a 1050 by 600 mm working range. Provide proven support for high-end manufacturing. This test, once again demonstrated, LK MV1050 Vertical Machining Center. The excellent quality in the field of complex aluminum parts processing is a perfect match for new energy vehicle components, and stringent requirements in high-end manufacturing fields such as 5G communication equipment. LK strives for your success. For more model information, please stay tuned.